Okay, this is part 2. I finished the side. So far it should look like this. Okay, so the middle one is actually the easiest because you just take the rubber band and you just go like that. And then you just, since there's only one rubber band, you just grab the one that's on the in front and you just keep going like that. It's easier than the sides were. You always want to do the sides first and the middle one last. You just keep going in, since there's only one rubber band, you just take it. Just keep taking it until you finish. The last thing is kind of easy. You just keep going and taking it. Okay, when you're done with the middle one, you want to push it down like you did with the other ones. And then you take any of the sides and you take it to the middle peg. And you do the same with this one. Just be like that. Just be 6 cherry bands. And then gotta get all of them with your fingers. And then you just pull it off. And the waterfall should look like this. And then you put these on your fingers. And I use 10 rubber bands, but have bigger wrists, you can add any amount of rubber bands. I'm going to use white. You just go through, take it up like you would, and then you keep going through until you're done. I'm just going to use white. You can still use any color, more than one if you want. And I only use 10. And then you just keep doing this until you don't need it anymore. So it should look like this. Just doesn't have to be these colors, and you can move the sides if you want. And then you can also push this in if you want. And then any kind of clip, I use S clips. Clip it, and then clip this. And here's what it should look like. It's not the same colors. And that's how you make a waterfall bracelet. Bye.